So, using an aligned sectional plane, show all of the internal features of solid below. This section plane must pass through the centers of all the holes and properly dimension the sectional view. So, hindi na ako nag-dimension. Ayoko na. Spoilers. Pero yung holes natin, itong tatlo, yan, the hexagon, the bumpy circle, and the other circle. So, that dyan, magpa-pass through yung ating sectional plane. So, dito, hinahanap ko lang yung centers nung aking sectional plane para ma-pass through lang. Okay? Ma-pass through lang doon yung aking sectional plane. So, hinahanap ko lang yung centers. I'm just using geometry techniques to find yung center natin. So, ayan, nakuha na yung centers and draw na yung sectional plane. Then, note yung direction ng aking arrows. I'm pointing it towards the left because yung space provided for me for the drawing is nasa kanan. So, dapat yung drawing ko nasa kanan, I am sectioning yung left side nung aking drawing. Okay? So, yung arrows ko, the drawing ko, pointing towards the left side as seen dito. Okay? So, left siya, tumuro. Okay, so now dito, this is an aligned sectioning. What I'm doing here first, yung parallel sa aking section plane, this one I'm projecting until dun sa aking my center. So magpo-project lang ako. Okay, ito yun naman. Mahirapan na naman ako mag-transfer, mag-slide na aking triangles kasi nooblet ang aking triangle. Napakalaking nooblet. Oh my god. Okay. So dito, makita natin dun sa parallel sectional plane yung same ng sense niya. Hindi niya nakita maliwanag. Parang kinukuha tayo ni Lord. Pero for this one, yung length na yun is same dun sa kabila. Okay, yan yun. Then, yan, gumawa lang akong line kasi dapat mag-align siya in one, align sectioning plane. Yung bent naman natin na sectional plane, ang kukunin ko is yung distance or yung length nung aking section plane that intersected my object. So, yun yung ito-transfer ko na length rather than just projecting straight to the right. So, makita natin dito, yung length na to is same nung okay, this diagonal length is same as yung length na yan. Hindi ko kinuha yung length nung kabila. Okay? Hindi ko diniretsyong project lang. Pag project ko lang siya, mali siya. Okay? That's wrong. It's wrong. Dapat kunin nyo yung length ng section plane that is intersecting your object na kinukuha nga lang ni Lord yung right side ng paper ko for some reason. Yan. Okay? So, ganyan siya. So, yan dapat yung magiging length nung section piece natin. Okay, which will be the length that is intersected by the sectional plane. Okay? The length intersected by the sectional plane in my drawing. So now, I'm trying to section off itong may hexagon ko. Yung hexagon kong yan, hole yan. Okay? This is a hole. Kasi titingnan ko yan, this is a hole. I-judge ko dun sa aking left side view. Makita ko, ay, butas nga siya kasi yung hidden lines ko is going to the center. Then dito, tinitingnan ko lang, gaano ba kakapal yung piece ko. I'm just creating a sort of like glass box yan. Titingnan ko yung maximum width ko. Width pa yan? Or height, or thickness. Yan yung thickness ko. Para alam ko kung ano yung dimensions in the drawing ko. So that's the thickness at the thickest point. Then I would use that as a reference to get yung thickness ng aking yung thickness nung aking other parts relative to that one. Okay? Since yung nasa kaliwa ko is left side view and yung ginagawa ko is essentially a right side view, essentially nag-flip lang sila. Okay, from the top view. Nag-flip lang yung perspective mo. Yung isa left, yung isa right side view. So, lahat nung parang umikot lang yung dimensions mo. Ito, hindi kaya ng aking compass. Okay. So, parang umikot lang yung dimensions ko dito. And, yan, kukunin ko yung distance na yan. The left side, magiging dun siya sa right side natin. Okay, kasi yan yung parang bottom-bottom. Okay, parang sila yung bottom no from relative to the front view thing. Okay? Then here, nagkukuha lang ako ng distances as guides for my different parts. So dito, something that I'd like to highlight is pag kumukuha ako ng distances, I get the distances consistently from one reference point rather than point A, point B, B to C, C to D, D to E. Lagi kong binabalik yung point ng compass ko dun sa pinaka-edge. Okay? Kasi pag laging nagmo-move yung point or yung reference mo, pwedeng mag-compound yung error mo and mas malaki yung dimensional error na pwedeng mangyari due to transferring lengths. So, I always have it reference to one point if kaya. Lalo na ako ay madumi gumawa ng mga ganito, yung mga lengths. So, I really need to do this to make sure na hindi siya tama yung lengths ko or hindi mag-add up masyado yung aking errors. So now, I am drawing yung thicknesses, okay? Yung thickness ng aking piece, okay? So for this one, I think I am drawing the thickness of the one that has yung hexagon natin. Ala, kinuha ako ni Lord. Ano ba naman to? Yan. So drawing ko yung dalawang piece, hindi naman nakita. Sorry, nakita nyo. Sorry, gabi na walang ilaw dito. Yan. So that thickness here is the thickness sa kabila. And yan yung magko-contain ng hexagon mo. So dito naman, ilalagay ko na, i-project ko na yung hexagons ko. Okay, yung so sa projection ko, for this one, tatamaan niya muna ay solid. Okay. Then, gagawa lang ako ng projection lines. Gagawa ako ng projection lines. Me. Okay, very good. Bagal. Nublet talaga itong gumagawa ng projection lines. Ito yan. So, project ko lang yung corner. So, ang i-project ko is itong nandito sa kaliwa because yan yung makita ko. Okay, I see that when I cut it. Then this one and yung last nung sa hexagon ko. So, I projected it to my sectional here. Then, i-project ko ilalim. Project ko hanggang dyan sa ilalim. And I'll designate this as yung aking part 1 ng aking section. Okay? Ay, kinain ni Lord ang puti. Okay? So now, okay, I'll just draw yung aking sectional view. So dito, yan, that is yung different na edges na makita. Ito may section. 1, yan. Then ito is yung naan dito. Okay, yan yung inside na siya. Nandun siya sa may butas. Then, this last one is matatamaan yung section line ko. Okay? And yung thickness niya, nakuha na natin siya before. Okay? So, yung thickness ng mga lines na yan, or thickness of part is something like drawing like this. Okay, very good. Okay? So, yung may hatch is this one kasi yan yung natamaan ng aking section line and itong kabila. Yung hole ko hindi natamaan yung section line pero makita ko yung edges ng hexagon mo kaya mukha siyang ganyan. Okay? Itong next naman, this curve here is dito sa part na yan. Okay? Merong part ng curve na yan na tinamaan natin sa section plane, section line, and merong part na parang hindi, nakalutang. Okay? So, pag sinesh natin siya, mukha siyang, kita nyo ba? Para siyang may ledge, may drop, parang may step siya, and merong parang yung curve natin kanina. Then yung hexagon mo ay naan dito. Yan, para siyang ganyan. Ay, kinain talaga ni Lord. Masyadong maputi. Akin. Tapos pencil pa yung nakaano. Yan. So, para siyang ganyan. And then yung section plane ko, tumama siya. So, merong tinamaan and meron akong makita. Okay? So, for this one, I'm sectioning itong part na to is yung part na yan. Yan ay hindi siya makatama ng section plane but makikita ko siya. So, hindi siya maging hatched. Then, may part siya maging hatched. And for this, I'll project itong tangent, itong end ng curve ko. Yung projection, going down, go here, makukuha to next. Okay? And itong dulo. Project ka na. Okay? So, dito naman, kinukuha ko yung thickness ng part na to, which is the same thickness kanina. Okay? I mean, yung same thickness ng other part. Yan. Parang ganyan lang siya. Pero check ko lang yung thickness ko. Then now, dinodraw ko yung section. So, itong part na to, okay, this part, yan yung matatamaan ng sectioning. And itong ginagawa ko ngayon, okay, yan naman ay yung hindi natamaan ng section plane ko, but visible pa rin siya. Okay? So, okay, i-outline ko to. Outline. So, itong part na to, itong ginagawa kong yan, ito, yung full thickness na yan is natamaan ng section plane. Yan, yung buong section na yan, natamaan ng section plane. Meanwhile, itong part naman na to, this na ginagawa ko dyan, or yan, na-outline ko siya, na ito yung may hatch, this one. Then, itong small, yan, nag-outline na siya. Dito pala ako nag-outline. Yan. Sige, hintayin natin siya mag-outline. Yan, tapos siya mag-outline. And now, this one naman, itong small na walang hatch na to, ito naman yung part nung aking parang ledge na hindi natamaan ng section plane pero makita ko pa rin pag hinati ko siya. It is this part. Okay? Yung parts na yan. Which is, pag nilala sa left side view, itong dalawang yun. Okay, so nagawa na natin itong part 2. Now, gagawin natin itong bilog. Pero yung bilog natin na bent na align, so gawin muna natin yung top half ng parang bilog na may box-ish na hole, keyhole thing. Okay, so yung projection niya sa left is, tingnan natin. Okay, ito yung sa center. Yan yung top ng circle. I-project mo yung top ng circle, please. Makahiya eh. Ayan. So, yan yung thickness. Yan yung overall thickness. Yung pinaka-thickest part. Then, etong top na to, it's this one and this one projecting. And etong last is itong bottom. Parang ganyan siya. Okay, so, ruler niya para makita natin. Yan. Yan yung tatlong parts. So, for this one, yung hole na yan, if nakita natin, hindi siya full through. Pag tinignan mo dito, hanggang dyan lang siya. Okay, hindi siya tumatagos through kasi hidden line niya tumitigil doon sa may gitna. So, ganun din natin i-design yung hole natin. So, we'll section it something like that. So, for this one, we're just doing kung saan nagbe-breaks. Okay, para malaman natin kung saan ba tayo mag-hatch and saan tayo hindi. Okay? And note dito, ginagawa pa lang natin is yung one part of our aligned plane. So, sa center tayo mag-stop. As so. Then, gagawin nyo lang yan. Okay. So, dito, ina-attempt kong i-draw, ipakita sa inyo kung ano itsura nung parang piece na to. Pero sorry, ano siya, kinain uli siya ni Lord. But parang may butas ka dyan. Okay, within the circle na parang keyhole, then meron siyang floor sa ilalim. Pero hindi siya makita. I'm so sorry. Ang liwanag ng aking light. Pero parang yan. Parang ganyan siya. Okay? Then, I'll just draw yung section na to as seen dito. If you're wondering bakit ang liwanag o yung contrast, madilim kasi yung kwarto, meron lang akong isang light source. I am so sorry. Naubusan ako ng araw kasi nag-record pa ako ng isa pang video before nito. And, well, ganyan talaga. Should have done this earlier in the day. I am so sorry. Pero yan. So, I'm doing the section. Yung first one is tamaan. Yan. Ito yung natamaan doon sa top. Then, I'm doing this. Then, this part here naman is yung parang corner. Yung tinuro niya kanina. Yan. Ito yan. Okay. Then, yung last part, okay, abot siya hanggang dun sa center ng ating circle. Yan yung may butas mo. Okay. Then, if we hatch this, yung solid ko is ito. Yan yung solid. Then, yung other parts niyan, yan, ito yung solid. Solid din yan kasi yung butas ko hindi siya through hole. Tumigil siya somewhere. Dun sa floor na yan. Okay. Then, now I can section yung parang yung bent naman. Bent curve. Okay? So, yung next kong isa-section would be yung bilog. But, hindi natin pwedeng i-project lang diretso. Kailangan natin makuha yung distance by measuring yung distance along the section plane. So, kinuha ko yung distance ng radius ng bilog ko, i-project ko dito para magawa yung section niya naman. Ang maganda dito, bilog yung feature, so medyo symmetric siya dun sa kanina nating ginawa. Similar lang siya. Nawala lang yung isa nating parang kink dun sa taas. So dito, after kong project yung radius, i-mark off ko siya. Yan. Para makuha yung sa butas, then kukunin ko tong next one, which is yung solid na rin naman siya. Projecting, kuha yung length, kunin mo yung length gamit ng compass, yan. Then ito transfer ko dito. Then, parallel. Then, nahirapan tayo sa triangle sa ating mag-parallel. Baba natin. And, makuha natin yung length na yan. And, length na yon is this length here is yung hanggang dito, yung radius ng outer circle. Then magagawa na natin yung section natin sa kanan. Pagpakita natin yung drawing. Pakita mo yung drawing. Ano naman? Bati na. Ba't ang liwanag? Hindi ko napansin. Ay, nako. So, upon doing the sectioning, it would look something like that. Na ganyan nakita. Then, next naman, ikukunin natin is itong part na to. Again, kunin natin yung length na yan. Kunin yung length na yan. I-project dito. Okay. Then, after yung project dyan, kunin naman natin yung thickness from dun sa ano natin. So, ipoproject natin nasan ba yung points na yan. So, this point is itong point na to ay yung hidden line dyan. Okay, projections. So, gagawin lang siya projection. Okay. Then, itong point na to is yung hidden line dito. This point here is this line here. This point here, line edge dito. And this point here is yung edge dito. Okay? So, since ganito siya, makuha natin yung thickness. Yung thickness niya is same nung thickness natin kanina, is the second part natin. And makita natin solid siya. Solid part siya. Thickness na yan is yung dito. Then, we can do the sectional view. Since solid lang naman siya, madali lang siyang gawin. Hatched lahat yan, yung area. Kailangan natin makuha is yung thickness ng part na yun and yung relative position niya with the other parts, which will do now. And ayan, nagawa na natin siya. Woo! Yung last naman is yung bilog yung gagawin natin. So, kunin natin dimensions from this. And same lang nung kanina, itong bilog na to is essentially bilog na may butas, cylinder na may butas sa gitna. And ito yung pinaka-basic sa sectioning na ginawa natin. So, alam nyo kung paano siya gawin. So, transfer ulit tayo nung lengths. Okay, it's a cylinder with a hole. Then we make transfer and we do the sectioning as we've been doing before. So, ayan. Actually, hindi ko na alam kung ano mangyayari dito. Pero essentially, ginagawa niya lang yung sectioning. Kasi I'm like editing this video for like, or 2 videos for about 4 hours na. Medyo lutang na rin ako. I'm so sorry. Anong kinain niyo? Kala niyo makapag-reflect? Ano ba naman to? Ay, nako. Hindi ko na ito edit. I'm done. Okay. Pero yan. So, ginagawa na natin yung sectioning ng cylinder na may butas. Okay? And bagal lang siya gumawa. Oy, bilisan mo. So, gumawa. Fast forward mo. Tanggalin mo yung ilaw. Ay, nako. The final hatching. Oh, buti naalala ko na ilagay din sa frame yun. Pero, puti pa rin naman. Kainis. And, dapat, meron na tayo ng ating sectioning. Oh my God, nagpakita rin siya. Okay, very good. Yan na siya. Congratulations. Thank you.